on Fox 47 News.
It was a bit of an active day weather-wise in the state. The west side seeing a little bit of severe weather. Mid-Michigan, though, sparing most of that action.
You know, we only had one severe thunderstorm warning in Berry County around 8 o'clock for tonight. And otherwise, a lot of these storms are actually weakening as they are moving closer to us. So we'll still see some gusty winds, but that's really going to be about it. Here's a look at the satellite and radar right now, where you can see that broken line of showers and thunderstorms continuing to push east, getting closer to the Lansing region. We'll probably be in Lansing in about the next 15 minutes or so. And again, maybe one or two pockets of some heavier rain, really maybe a few gusty winds. That's going to be about it. These storms are continuing to weaken as they move east, and that's about all we're going to be seeing. Jackson, you should see rain probably close to about 11 o'clock for tonight before this whole system begins to push off to the east, and behind that will actually be drying out as we head closer to Monday morning. This is all thanks to an area of low pressure and a cold front still well off to our west that's pushing these storms into our region. So on your future track right around 11 o'clock or so again, that's when I would expect rain to start showing up, at least in the Jackson area. Right around midnight or so, or shortly after that, as the system continues to push off to the east, it's going to lose a lot of steam, and we'll start to see a lot of disorganized activity take over for the rest of the overnight hours. The main line of storms will be done, but we could see at least a few isolated scattered showers linger as late as about 7 o'clock on Monday morning, right around the time that the sun does rise. After that, though, we're actually going to be drying out. We'll see those clouds beginning to clear out as we head towards Monday afternoon, and the rest of the day on Monday overall should be pretty nice. Maybe one or two storms hanging on in the southwest corner of the southeast corner of the state, That's really going to be about it. Most of the day on Monday will actually be dry. We'll see clearing skies as we head towards Monday evening. Those will hold into the overnight hours, and as we head towards Tuesday at 7 o'clock in the morning, nothing but sunshine. Tuesday actually looks really nice. We'll see mostly sunny skies. It will get a little bit on the warmer side again, and as we head towards Tuesday evening, could see maybe one or two showers or thunderstorms popping up, this time on the west side of the state. For today, it was very hot across the region. Highs climbed into about the middle 90s for many locations. 94 was the high earlier today in Lansing and Jackson. 92 was the high in Charlotte. 91 was the high today in Mason. Well, right now, temperatures have cooled down, but really not that much. We're still hanging out in the 80s. It's 84 degrees currently in Lansing. It's 83 in Jackson, 82 your current temperature in Mason, 81 degrees right now in Charlotte. Dew points are also still on the higher end in the upper 60s and lower 70s, so it's feeling pretty sticky out there, even if you're not seeing any rain right now. And as we head towards Monday, we'll see those dew points lower a little bit down into about the middle 60s, but it will still be relatively humid as we start off the work week. For tonight, do expect to see a few storms moving through the region, lows dropping down into the lower 70s. For tomorrow, we'll see a high of 87 degrees. A few showers linger at least Monday morning. After that, though, we will be drying out as we head towards the afternoon. That 87 will probably feel closer to 90 when you factor in the heat index, so it's not going to be quite as hot, but still pretty sticky across the region. In your 7-day forecast, here's how it pans out for you. 89 will be your high on Tuesday with mostly sunny skies. 90 degrees for the 4th of July on Wednesday. We do see a slight chance for a few isolated showers Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening, so we'll have to keep our eye on that in case they impact any of your 4th of July plans. A few showers on Thursday. Then we're dry as we head towards next weekend, and that weekend actually looks beautiful. Sunshine, temperatures where they should be for this time of the year in the lower 80s.
Yeah, in the meantime, though, it looks like our air conditioners, they're going to keep humming.
Yeah, probably until about Friday or so.
Okay, Claire, thank you. Tonight's Pump Patrol price tonight, $2.84. That's on the Marathon station.